Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming essentials. Update iOS, verify your carrier supports VoLTE LTE or Wi-Fi calling, and sign into the Wi-Fi network. Next, enable cellular data in settings and allow mobile data for the app you plan to use. This keeps internet active during voice. Once done, dial or accept the call. Make sure VoLTE LTE is enabled under cellular voice and data, so the call uses data-friendly voice and leaves internet bandwidth available for apps and browsing. During the call, check that your iPhone is using LTE/VoLTE for voice. This preserves 4G data for apps. If you need more bandwidth, switch to a Wi-Fi calling-capable network or use a VoIP app like FaceTime or third-party calling. These let you use the internet and voice together. Also enable Wi-Fi Assist so the phone automatically uplifts data to cellular when Wi-Fi weakens. Make sure background app refresh is active for the apps you'll use, and confirm app permissions for mobile data access. To finish, end the call and verify internet tasks resume normally. If not, toggle cellular data off and on or reconnect Wi-Fi. If problems persist, reset network settings in Settings General to clear stale configs. This often fixes APN and VoLTE glitches. One key troubleshooting tip: if voice or data keeps dropping, check carrier settings update and restart the phone. Many issues clear with a reboot. If still broken, contact your carrier to confirm VoLTE and Wi-Fi calling provisioning on your account.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.